Well, hello. I have spent 2 hours trying to get my stupid drivers to work because I was going to record this in a more professional way with a microphone and everything, and I cannot get it to work. So you're just going to have to do with my crappy cell phone recording. But I figured I'd play this on video, and for the first time, I haven't opened it before, so this is the first time I'm looking at the screen and everything, so you're going to get my initial thoughts. So let's give this guy a shot. Let's see what you did, John. What did you do? Okay, WASD to move, E to pick up and put down, space to throw, and then left, right, rotate, up, down, throwing distance, aim for soft landings. Okay, pretty standard stuff. Let's give it a shot. Okay, here we are. This looks fantastic. I love the look of the train. Okay, so that's the train and I'm on the train. I'm gonna pick you up because I'm guessing that's the name of the game. The train is out of control. Oh, I'm starting to see now. Okay, I get this. So I need to throw him in the water, right? Well, it's not working. Oh, that's working. Oh, okay. Oops. Oh my goodness. That moves really, really quickly. No! Okay. I'm seeing what I'm supposed to be doing now. Space to throw. No, I guess not. Whoa. That is not what I meant to do. I need to be on that in order for it to work, I guess. And throw. Yeah, I did a thing. Space to throw. Sometimes space. Oh, I gotta be all the way over here. I forget that. Okay, X on this. Oops. I wonder if that brown stuff is like mud and it's safe to throw them in there. So I guess I'm saving robots here. Whoa, that's not what I meant to do. I felt like I wanted to use I felt like Angry Birds or something like that. I wanted to kind of use the mouse to roll back and hit space to throw it, if that makes any sense. Using the arrow keys, I forget every time. I also forget that I have to be all the way on that little brown. Oh, okay, okay. I think I'm doing right. I don't know if I'm, whoa, no. I think I messed that up. I have 580 points. I think I'm losing points. Okay. Whoa, no. I want to throw them in there. Oh, the tree. You hit the trees. Okay. That kind of makes sense. I don't know if that did anything there, but I tried. Well, there's a... So you don't have to be all the way on there, but... Hey, I got some points. Okay, so you get points if you do right. And I did right there. So I wonder if I get different points for landing or making them land in different things. Oh, okay, that's cool. Oh, I missed that. Well, no, I got that, I guess. That's 100 points. So water is the most, I'm guessing. I swear I have played a game similar to this before. Oh no. Oh, trees. Forgot to look for the trees. Yeah. Okay. I have 4 minutes left, so I can't get them in the hay. I wonder if this is randomly generated or if it's the same every time. It'd be cool if it were different every time. But you'd also probably speed run it if it's the same every time. And knowing you, John, you probably made it the same just to speed run. Okay. Yeah, I saved him. Assistance needed. So I can't be a streamer is because I don't really feel like comfortable talking. I think I messed that one up. Ooh, okay. That made a noise, so I guess that did really well. Wait a minute, I'm gonna be awful. Can I fall off? No, I can't fall off. I just gotta save myself. I like the noise when they pick up that. Everything's going faster. How many train cars are there? Oh my gosh, how many robots are on this stupid train? Robots. Well, this makes it harder. Did I clear them all? I guess I cleared them all. Hey, made a cool noise. I don't think I threw that one far enough, not nearly far enough. I didn't throw that one soon enough. Beep boop me, I'm trying. Maybe. Oh, tree there. That was stupid of me. I guess I could just do that, but I don't know if I hit that hay or not. I didn't think that was going to work, but I tried anyways. Because I'm running out of time. Oh, there's another one down there, but I guess not. Attention, beep boop, malfunction detected. Oh no, oh no. Well, alright, robots, you're just getting off the train one way or the other. Well. Sorry, I don't know why that's so funny to me. Get off the train, get off the train. I just randomly throw them and hope I get lucky. I mean, there might be some way to do this, but at this speed, I mean, it just feels kind of random. I'll either get lucky or not. I guess I'm not getting lucky. It's the robots I'm chunking off the train that are getting lucky or not. And I imagine they are dying. Oh no! I have died. Passengers remaining 11? I must have missed a whole bunch of them. Grass 22, water 17, hay 3, tree 6, muck 2, track and train? Can you just throw them on the train? Does that count? Do I get points for that? Okay, that was pretty cool. That was my first time playing. I'm going to keep playing, but I'm not going to record it because, that was already like 9 minutes long. So, alright, bye.